Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In the previous video, we learned how to install the Township game on our Android device. In today's video, we are going to see how we can sign in to the Township. First, your device must be connected to the internet. Then open the Township from your device. Wait while it's loading. The game will open and you will have to go through some of the basic instructions and steps in the game. Follow these instructions until you reach a screen like this, where you will see a setting button and you will have to tap on it. After that, you will see a Facebook sign in button. Then tap on that button. After tapping, you will be directed to a page like this, where you will be asked to continue with your Facebook ID which is logged in on your device. You will see a continue button and you will have to tap on that button. After confirmation, you will be signed in to the Township. This will help you to save your progress and can sign in into any device with the same amount of progress you have made. So this is how you can sign into the Township. If you find our video helpful, then don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications and never miss upcoming easy tutorials. Until then, goodbye.